Hi friends, welcome back to channel SciTech Guru. In this I'm going to do the review of the Realme Pad using the wireless keyboard and wireless mouse. So this is a question which has been requested by few of my subscribers asking me to make a video on this particular topic. So whether the Realme Pad will be able to support and what will be the latency between the keyboard and mouse and the tablet, and whether the keyboard and mouse can be used for the gaming or not. These are the few things which I'll try to concentrate in this video. So here's a complete setup friends. I did set up as a Windows type looking, as you can see. I can do the separate video for that, how to customize your Realme tab similarly like me. As you can see, I'll try to upload the customization later on, but in this video let's focus on the wireless keyboard and mouse. So for this wireless keyboard and mouse, you do need the OTG type C to USB adapter. As you can see, this is a dongle which you require. So once you connect the USB adapter, and you need to have this kind of wireless mouse and keyboard combo pack, which I'm trying to use at this moment. This is a wireless keyboard and is a wireless mouse, which is a combo pack. So one single USB is necessary for this both, so you don't require any other extra USB. And if you want, you can definitely use the Bluetooth keyboard and Bluetooth mouse as well. That's also another accessories you can actually buy it, but right now I do have only the USB type, not the Bluetooth type. So let's see how is the latency going to be there if you try to use the USB type. So first thing is that you need to enable the OTG option, which is available in the settings option. Let me try to explore the settings. So you can go to the settings option, and first let's go to the settings and system, and in the systems, in the advanced option, there is an option which is called OTG. You need to enable that option. So if you don't enable that option, the Realme tab will not recognize the mouse and keyboard. So try to enable that option. So once you enable that, so the Realme tablet will automatically recognize the keyboard and the mouse, so you should not be worried at all. For example, if I want to type something in the search bar, so the keyboard on the Realme, it doesn't open because it knows that the keyboard is already connected via USB. That's why it will not open. Right now let's check how is the latency of the keyboard, how much delay. So is it any kind of delay or not? As you can see, all the functionalities like copy and cut and paste, everything will be working. Multitasking also, you can actually use the tab functionality. I'll try to demonstrate you in this complete video, so don't worry at all. So right now, as you can see friends, I can actually use everything. All the keyboard and everything is working perfectly alright without any kind of issues. As you can see friends, without much problem at all. So when you're trying to type, and in the mouse also, it's very smooth. I did not feel any kind of lag or any kind of latency at all. And one more thing, not even once I felt like I'm using the low powerful tablet. I did not feel at all. This is my day 2 of usage, maybe that might be another reason, but still in my experience, in my usage, I did not feel any kind of lag while using the keyboard and the mouse. So now these are a couple of applications which are running in the background. So let me try to open the Google Chrome application. In the Google Chrome, for example, is the Flipkart site. The main reason why I did open the Flipkart site is because you do have this kind of arrow functionality which will change into the finger type. You can see the arrow mark will change as soon as you go to the options. That is what, same like the desktop, how is the experience will be there. Similar like that, you will be able to have this kind of experience as well. So right now let me try to show you. So it works completely alright without any kind of much problems, and I will enter the gaming. And in the laptops, we usually do the right click to open in the new tab. So similarly, you can actually do it here as well. You can actually click on the right click, and you can actually open in the new tab. That's also fine. That's also working 100% perfect without any kind of issues. And in the laptop and desktop, we can actually copy when you're trying to use like this. And after selecting, if you try to click right click, it doesn't work. So maybe let me try to use the keyboard. I'm trying to use the keyboard as well. So now you should be able to see it properly. So let me copy the keyboard, and let's see whether it will be pasted or not. Yes, you can actually do that. So you can use the keyboard copy and paste as well functionality, and that's also another good advantage we do have in this Realme tab. And using the keyboard, this complete really very portable setup which I did have right now. It doesn't require much investment at all in buying the keyboard and the mouse. So make sure to check the links in description or comments, where I'll try to pin a couple of combo pack, this kind of keyboard and the mouse category, where you can actually buy them. If you want, you can definitely. And it's a Amazon website which I'm trying to open. I'm just trying to go through everywhere, all the websites, how it's handling. Even the scrolling also working perfectly all right, without much problem. As you can see, exactly no issues in terms of the scrolling and everything, perfectly all right. So let me try to do a couple of typing right now. So there should be some other applications which should be open. So Google Keep is a notes application I did open here. You can actually use it for notes as well. So right now I can actually type. Let me try to type something, and as you can see, friends, he was able to perform really good in terms of the keyboard and the mouse, not an issue. As you can see, it's working perfectly fine, not much latency at all. And Control All, delete, shift backspace, everything gone, as you can see. So it's perfect, friends. And this keyboard has got operative advantages, like if I press the F function plus F1, it will try to go to the home screen directly, and tab place alt, if you try to place, it will try to take you to the multitasking as well. In this way you can actually shift between the applications, so back and forth. It's kind of really portable, I would say, in my opinion. And Realme Tab is doing really good in terms of managing this kind of wireless keyboard and the wireless mouse without any kind of issues. At this moment I did not feel any kind of problems. In case if you want me to test any other demonstration, let me know in the comment section below. Definitely I'll try to do those kind of demonstrations as well. And right now let me try to play a couple of games. Right now, as you can see, friends, I'm playing completely using only the keyboard only at this moment. I'm trying to play, and it was working perfectly alright, friends. Even not much problem at all. Even in terms of gaming and everything, it was able to maintain really good, as you can see. So this function, I think we need to again touch the screen as well, but still you will be able to play a few games like this in using the keyboard. Try to make separate video on that one, which games are actually supported and compatible using the keyboard and the mouse. But overall, my experience of using the tab and keyboard, it's fantastic. And if you are a kind of person who wants to do this kind of multitasking, then this will be the really good for you to buy this tablet at this moment. So only thing is that RAM management and multitasking cannot be highly capable in this tab. That's the one thing, because of lack of having the not that good RAM. So only 4GB RAM is available at this moment, so we cannot expect much from the 4GB RAM, obviously, because of less RAM. So there will be less multitasking possible in this tab. Simultaneously, more than I think 3-4 applications, you won't be able to use them anyway. So one kind of drawback which I are mentioning. For students, it should be completely fine. For students and online classes, it should be completely fine without much problem. You'll be able to exactly enjoy this tablet for the online classes. Even the battery backup seems to be completely good with this tab. This is my second day of usage only. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video. And in case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Definitely I'll try to do another video on this, how to set up similarly like a Windows type of setup, so which looks completely cool as well. So while you're trying to use a Realme tab, if you have this kind of setup, it looks kind of you're carrying the Windows tablet overall, in my opinion. Windows plus Android kind of tablet. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video. And in case if you have any other queries, don't forget to check the playlist for more details. And meanwhile, signing off, friends. Bye.